Hi, my name is Sean Wang. I'm a current senior at the Pingree School in Basking Ridge, New Jersey. Over the month of May, the senior class partakes in ISPs, or independent senior projects, ranging from internships to making art. I've chosen to make this podcast series, Morally Sound, on our school's honor code. In a few words, the honor code is our school's framework for how we should conduct ourselves in and out of the classroom. I also serve as the chairperson of the Honor Board, which is a committee of 14 students who work with a faculty advisor to promote the honor code and adjudicate violations of it. Over the next month, I'll be interviewing faculty, students, and alumni to get their takes on the honor code, as well as their life experiences. Some episodes will be full interviews, while others are a compilation. That's all I have for now, and I hope you stay tuned and enjoy.